Welcome to Multiple Choice Question 2 of the 2006 Mathematical Methods Exam 2. In this video, we will be looking at the solution for this question. A reminder that this video is in no way endorsed by VCAA. And now, just before we get onto the question, I'd like to point out that the use of a CAS calculator may assist in answering this question, but for some of you, you may prefer and find it faster to just do this one by hand. In this question though, I will be showing how the calculator can be used. So the question is, the smallest positive value of x for which tan of 2x equals 1 is one of the following. And it's really important to read that it's the smallest positive value of x. So there's going to be lots of values of x that satisfy this particular trigonometric equation, but we want to find the smallest positive one. So it can't be 0, but it's got to be the next solution that's positive from there. So we'll use the calculator to answer this one. On the CAS calculator, go into the main menu. Next, you want to just check on your calculator that you have the right settings. So we will need standard and RAD for radian down here at the bottom of the screen. Next, to answer this particular problem, we want to type in the equation that we've been asked to solve. So I'm going to hit the keyboard button to bring up the soft keypad, and we're going to type in tan of 2x, and that is going to equal 1. Next, we want to solve to find the smallest positive value of x, which makes that equation true. So we're going to need to put a domain restriction in here. So under Math 3, I'm going to use this straight up and down line to say that the value of x must be greater than 0, but we also want to cap it at the other end as well, or it won't give us a proper answer that we can interpret. So x must be greater than 0, and I'm also going to say that it's going to be less than or equal to pi. And the reason why I've picked that is out of the 5 options that's listed, that's the largest one. So if it's that one, then we'll be able to pick it. And if it occurs before then that solution should appear in that range. You could have picked something like 2 pi to go at the end there as well, and any of those sorts of things would have worked. So next, after we've got our equation and our restriction, we can just highlight it and go interactive, equation inequality solve, and we're solving for x, so we can just press OK. And that will actually give us 2 answers in that domain that I've specified it over. So the first smallest positive value of x is going to be pi on 8. So from the calculator screen, we can see that the smallest positive value of x was in fact pi on 8. So that means that B is the correct answer for this question. And from the examiner's report, we can see that 84% of students got that answer correct. So that question was well done for this exam.